So this is a fun little roll that goes behind the neck, and you catch it with the elbow of the arm that you rolled it off of. So it goes a little like this. So basically this is just a normal roll, but instead of trying to keep the tether perfectly in wall plane, we're actually going to bend it out. We're going to bend it just like maybe like 8 to 10 degrees back. So like towards the window, I'm going to bend out that way, and that is because we don't want the poi to come straight across our body like we were trying to do an angel roll. We actually want it to come at an angle. We want the tether to flop over and under so we can snag it in our elbow. So we just come to here, then bend back a little bit, like I'm going to bend to point at that blue and white sign over there on the wall, and then roll, catch, and I like to pop it out there at the end.